Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to this instructional video for the eco-friendly water bottle activity as part of the Climate Change Lessons Through STEM. This instructional video will take you through step by step how to prepare the activity and how to run it with your class. The eco-friendly water bottles are water surrounded by alginate, which can be used to reduce plastic use. They are created using a process called spherification. Now, spherification can be used by chefs to create imitation caviar or bubble tea. Whilst the chemicals we will suggest you use are food grade standard, we don't recommend that you consume anything you make in the classroom. Now, this is because we can't guarantee that the storage of the chemicals will meet food grade standards. To prepare the sodium alginate solution, you'll need 8 grams of sodium alginate, 1 bowl, 1.9 litres of water, some blue food colouring, and of course a hand blender. So let's get started. To begin, place 8 grams of sodium alginate into the bowl and then add your 1.9 litres of water. Now blend the ingredients together using the hand blender until there are no lumps remaining. You can then leave the solution to rest for 15 minutes until there are no air bubbles left. After 15 minutes, all of the air bubbles should be gone, so at this point you're going to add the blue food colouring very gently into the mixture and then give it a very gentle stir. And when it's right, it should be a pale to mid-blue colour. Just like that. And you can then label the bowl with alginate. And at this point, the sodium alginate solution can go in the fridge for up to 4 days. To make the calcium lactate solution, you'll need 40 grams of calcium lactate, 8 bowls, 1 pole per 4 pupils, a spoon, and 950 millilitres of water per bowl. To prepare the calcium lactate solution, take 5 grams of your calcium lactate, pop it in the bowl, and then your water into the bowl. And you're then going to mix it until all of the calcium lactate is dissolved. Now repeat this for all 8 bowls and then you can label the bowl with calcium. To carry out the experiment, each group of 3 or 4 pupils will need the following equipment: 1 bowl of 950 millilitres of water, 1 bowl of the calcium lactate solution, 1 small bowl of the sodium alginate solution, latex-free disposable gloves, a spoon for mixing, a small measuring spoon, and some sticky labels and a marker pen. Using the measuring spoon, the pupils should then take a small amount of the alginate and lower it into the calcium. Each member of the group should do this in turn. Then one member of the group is going to gently stir the water, and you're going to leave the alginate in here for around 3 minutes to allow the reaction to take place. So after 3 minutes, you can then get your pupils to remove the alginate bubbles from the calcium bath. Now you need to be wearing the gloves to do this. You can very, very gently lift them out. And at this point, they're going to very gently move them into the water bath, which will stop the reaction. And it's going to stay in there for about another minute. And so after that final 1 minute, you can then remove the sodium alginate bubbles from the water and investigate them. And at this point, you should encourage your pupils to think about what's happening here. So, what is happening here? Well, when we place the sodium alginate solution into the calcium lactate solution, the calcium lactate causes any of the alginate it touches to thicken, causing a skin to form around the rest of the bubble. In the future, these bubbles could be transported around like water bottles, reducing plastic waste. So to dispose of the waste, any remaining sodium alginate solution should be collected into an airtight container and can be disposed of in the general waste. The calcium lactate solution, any left over, can be disposed of down the sink and flushed with lots of water, and then any of the remaining alginate bubbles should be sieved, burst to allow the liquid to go down the sink, and then disposed of in the general waste bin. So we hope your pupils enjoy this activity and are inspired to think about climate change and sustainability in a different way.